Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive headfirst into the ocean of knowledge with humor, wit, and a splash of science. Today, we're tackling a question that's as electrifying as a lightning bolt at a water park. Can I use my microwave to dry my wet smartphone? I mean, why not multitask our appliances, right?
Well, nosy, you've certainly cooked up an interesting idea. Let's explore the electrifying world of microwaves and smartphones.
So, Dr. Answer, let's get straight to it. Can I pop my wet smartphone into the microwave for a quick dry, like a leftover slice of pizza?
Great question, nosy. But I must advise against it. Microwaving a smartphone can be a recipe for disaster. Microwaves generate electromagnetic waves that can interfere with the delicate electronics inside your phone.
So, it's like trying to give your phone a tan, but it might turn into a sunburned potato instead.
You could say that, except the potato won't cost you a small fortune to replace.
Alright, so why can't we just zap the moisture away with microwave radiation? After all, microwaves heat things up pretty quickly, right?
Microwaves do heat things quickly, but they heat primarily through the absorption of energy by water molecules. Smartphones, being complex electronic devices, have many components that can't handle the heat. The radiation can damage the circuits, and you'd be left with a fried phone.
So, it's like trying to turn your phone into a microwavable marshmallow, but it might come out as a roasted brick.
That's one way to look at it.
Alright, but what if I just put my phone in for a few seconds on low power? That should be safe, right?
Even on low power, the risk of damaging your phone remains high. Microwaves can cause arcing, which is when electricity jumps between components, leading to short circuits. It's not worth the risk.
So, it's like trying to give your phone a gentle hug from the microwave, but it might turn into a shocking surprise party instead.
You've got quite the imagination.
Alright, what if I put my phone in a bowl of water and then microwave it? It's like a spa day for my phone, right?
Nice try, nosy, but it won't work that way either. Microwaving a wet phone can lead to superheating. This means the water can get heated beyond its boiling point without actually boiling. When you take the phone out, any sudden movement or even a slight bump can cause the water to explosively boil, potentially damaging your phone and causing injuries.
So, it's like trying to give your phone a surprise hot tub experience, but it might turn into a phone fountain.
You could call it that.
Alright, so what's the best way to rescue my drowned phone, then? A bag of rice, maybe?
The old bag of rice trick can help absorb moisture, but it's not always the most effective method. It's better to use silica gel packets or a dedicated drying agent designed for electronics. And remember, the quicker you can remove the moisture, the better the chances of saving your phone.
So, it's like giving your phone a spa day in a bag of tiny, moisture-absorbing masseuses.
You've got a knack for metaphors.
Alright, what if I just buy a waterproof phone and take it swimming with me? Problem solved, right?
Well, a waterproof phone is certainly more resistant to moisture, but it's not invincible. It's designed to handle accidental splashes or short immersions, not prolonged underwater adventures. Plus, salt water can be particularly harmful.
So, it's like giving your phone a snorkeling lesson, but you might be pushing it to become a deep-sea diver.
That's a great way to put it.
Alright, let's say my phone does take a dip. What's the best way to avoid such disasters in the first place?
Prevention is key, nosy. Consider using a waterproof case for your phone if you're near water, and avoid using your phone in wet conditions. Back up your data regularly so that even if your phone takes an unexpected dive, your precious memories are safe.
So, it's like giving your phone a life jacket and a plan B in case it decides to go for a swim.
Exactly. Safety first.
Well, there you have it, folks. While microwaving your wet phone might sound like a quirky experiment, it's a surefire way to zap your device into oblivion. Instead, stick to tried-and-true methods like silica gel or dedicated drying agents to rescue your waterlogged gadget.
That's right, nosy. And remember, prevention is always better than a waterlogged cure. Keep your phone safe, and you won't need to give it any microwave-style spa treatments.
Thanks for helping us stay out of microwave trouble, Dr. Answer. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay tuned for more electrifying science explorations with Nosy and Dr. Answer.
Until next time, may your phone stay dry, your ideas stay curious, and your microwave stays pizza-friendly. Bye, everyone.